What? The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? I know a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know when me represent for Gaza, you don't know it go already Gaza nation. You don't know a loud effect. Anytime I aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion, but I don't. Watch it. Hear me now, man. All the spelling the box in there. Everything good, the Gaza nation. Yeah. Sorry for going, you know what I mean? Right now, I wish the whole of you know what I mean? Prosperous New Year. You hear that when it come? From the day after the general, the 10-star one, and no lollipop thing. Anytime we sound the big thing, them and drop loud explosion. Watch. So hear me, man. Right about now, you know. I hear the man them a say, Tommy Lee, them not think it's a good idea for him sue the government. Let me tell you something. I've been a pray that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I've been a pray that, you know what I mean, just by how me know politician and government business work. That's what I say. But in a sense, what is now, my virgin? How can the man them make the government them change them dirty ways? You know what I mean? And change them dirty act. What we can do for get a change? Because you can't fight the government physically. You know what I mean? And the only way you can disarm them man there. You know what I mean? You have to disarm them power. You see what I say? That's the only way you can disarm the government. You don't have to cut them power from underneath them girt, you know what I mean? That's all. You can disarm them man there. But if you can't cut them on the power, it will cause a serious thing because you don't know a government that. And you don't want to play with them type of people. You see what I deal with because them can't pull too much string. You see what I say? And then and again, to me, I don't think Sparta need them money. You see what I deal with? Yeah, for real, Tommy Lee, I don't really think you need the government money because here, it's like some crosses money, you know what I mean? And you know, mix up yourself with that, you're good, clean you up, dog. You see what I deal? As you leave them, man, make them go on with that, you know what I mean? Because you never can stop eating, you know what I mean? I like how that thing they come off of your, back right now. I expect more doors and bigger doors to open up for you. Because I tell you something. You see your character in an entertainment thing, in this world, my virgin. Don't tell you look a baby them I go like you, my virgin. And I know lollipop thing me talk, man. And your image, dog, your image sell you off clean, you know, with the character where you have in my virgin. You can't lose, you know. Me all look for y'all come all in some game, you know, dog. A real thing. Yeah, me look for y'all come all in some game. All your face all in some cartoon game. I don't even know lollipop thing. A real thing me talk. A them type of character that you have, dog. You have the show character. That if you not reach a Hollywood. And a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? You have the character there, youth. You know what I mean? Just go and do your thing said way and don't change your thing because I tell you something, them love it. You see what I deal with? I just saw our country stay, you know what I mean? Anytime you see the youth, them come up with certain little thing and them shit that saw them fight against the people. Them. You see what I deal with? Remember I saw them used to fight against the great Robert Nesta Marley. Remember I saw them have to fight against the money. Remember Black Art man, them style them man the as in. Remember America them man they run coming on my virgin. And tour down the whole of Europe and them play and shell down the whole place in them budget. And when them see international people give them man them highlight at them time that them run up, you know, like a bandwagonist, you know. You see what I deal with? After the man of them own flesh and blood, you know. You know what I mean? You see what I deal with? So here I go on Sparta. Swell up your head, you know. You know what I mean? I mean, like, no man can't tell you what you're doing, but, you know what I mean? All I want to know, say, to the people them know, say, you know, can't fight the government with fire. The only way you fight them people, you have to disarm them of them power, my virgin. You know what I mean? You have to take them power from underneath them girl. I mean, I know if two teacher, I'd say, I'm going to sue. You see me? And Tommy Lee, I'll say I'm going to sue right now. If them boy they make draw bad card upon teacher for that, I don't really know still. I just say, the general 10 star one